Hi guys, welcome to the channel. It's Kenisha here, the gardening mama and crew. And today we will be making
Pizza!
Yay! Okay, let's get started. So first we have our warm water here. We're going to add our yeast to the warm water and sugar. Okay, so Alba's gonna add the yeast. Stevie's gonna add the sugar. Go ahead and add the old container, baby. Now you're gonna stir it. Here you go.
The yeast should be stirred with the sugar in the warm water. Okay? And fully.
Okay, now we're gonna let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. We want to have the yeast have this bubbly mixture at the top. Now we're going to mix the dry ingredient. And here we have flour and we have the salt. Help me, Stevie. Okay. That's okay. No, Stevie's gonna stir. Get it all mixed in. Now the yeast is ready, guys, and you can tell it's ready because the surface is bubbly. It's covered with like a froth, a bubble froth at the surface. So that's how you know that the yeast is ready. So let's go, Stevie. Let's add it to the flour and the salt mixture. Come on. All right. Now we're going to add some olive oil. Next. All right, now let's get stirred. Mix it in. All right, let's get our hand in here, guys. Let me. Okay, now we have the dough and it's smooth. And look at it, guys. Smooth. See the smooth surface? Now we're going to move on to the next step. And the next step is getting this dough to rise, to double in size. So now, not yet, we're going to add some olive oil to the bowl. And that's about half teaspoon of olive oil. Just use your hand and just cover the whole. Mix it in, just like that. Mix it in. Now put the dough in now, Stevie. And now let's go. Let's stir it over. Yeah, put it in, roll it over. now we're going to cover the dough and let it rise, double in size. And this will take about an hour to an hour and a half. After an hour and a half, this is what the dough looks like, guys. It has doubled in size. So now we're going to turn it out on the counter, and the counters on the floured countertop. First thing we're going to do, we're going to divide the dough into two. Okay. So now we're going to punch the dough. Let's go, guys. And now we're going to start rolling the dough. Let's see if you have, okay, that's okay. So we're going to grease the baking tray for the pizza. Pour it in. We're going to brush it on. Your turn now, Stevie.
Look at Mama. What is the pizza? The what? The what? The what?
All right, 1 sec. Let me turn it. Let me flip it. Your turn, Alba. All right. Good job. Alba, get a roll.
You. That is fun.
That is fun. Alba, brush it.
Mommy and the rubber are mine.
Mm-hmm. Some more. So now we're going to brush the sauce on. And this is our homemade pizza sauce from our own homegrown tomato from our backyard last summer. And we're still using sauce. And now we're gonna add a sprinkle of cheese. And this is our mozzarella cheese. Let's make it nice and cheesy. So let's get started on the second pizza. And guys, this pizza is going to be a little more than cheese. First pizza was just plain cheese. Now we're gonna add a lobster and bell pepper topping to this pizza. All right. Brush it on all over. I want to get the oil all over. Okay, now we're going to add some sauce. Same homemade pizza sauce from our tomato from the backyard. That's okay. Alright, let's do that. All right, thank you guys. Let's get on. Now we're gonna add, we have red pepper and we have lobster meat. And this lobster meat is already prepared. All right, let's get some cheese. Okay, so this is it, guys. The pizza is ready. Still a little bit hot, so we're not gonna touch. There you have it, guys, our homemade cheese pizza. How is it? So here we go, guys, our lobster pizza. So there you have it, guys, our lobster pizza, and it's looking great. Yummy. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.